Beautiful Paula Indian Reservation. Just ripped one pack. And man, it's amazing how much better you can fly when you have a decent video feed. So yeah, invest in good antennas, even if you don't spring for the best goggles. Better antennas will help a lot. So anyway, you can see we got a nice big open field, and back behind me, I don't know how well you can see that in this, so I can't see crap on my screen. Got a couple like grain silos. There's some bandos around here, some smaller buildings. Lots and lots and lots of wire. So you can come down this chute here. You just got to be careful for the wires on either side. This used to be like a paddock, I think, for cows. Pretty sure this was dairy. Anyway, hopefully soon I'll be confident enough to rip through those things, those silo things, and maybe do some loops and that kind of stuff. So anyway, gonna rip it now.
May all of your haircuts be even and straight. May you arrive on time and never have to wait. May the road rise up to meet you, unless of course you're falling on your face. May the cork never break off in the bottle. May you face your death with dignity. May your infinitives never split. May your particles never dangle. May you never have to kiss the boss's ass. May your life be as carefree as Huckleberry Finn and Tom Sawyer. And may you never have to deal with a room full of lawyers. May you live long and healthy and get safely into your grave. May you never have to give yourself another goddamn dry shave. May you never be the recipient of shitty advice. May your wife never cheat on you, even with that asshole at the office she's been eyeballing. May your life be as carefree as Huckleberry Finn or Tom Sawyer. And may you never have to deal with a room full of lawyers. May your life be as carefree as Huckleberry Finn or Tom Sawyer. And may you never have to deal with a room full of lawyers.
Didn't die, didn't break anything major.
A room full of liars.
Lost my video feed in the middle of the power loop because when I broke those props, I came down through those trees right over there and came down into the concrete surprisingly hard. I am amazed I tell you what, I am freaking astounded by these little Samguk motors. These things, I have just beaten the crap out of them so far. These are the Skew 2306, I believe, 2800 kV. These things are beasts. They will decimate batteries. So make sure you use decent batteries with these. But they have tons of juice. I love them. So, motor's in good shape, even after that gnarly wreck. Only broke 2 props. Smacked some new props on, started going. So, now, this used to be a cloverleaf. And as you can tell, it's a piece of coax now. I'm surprised I got the range out of it. I did after I broke it. I figured, what the heck, I'm going to just keep flying because I don't got that much time. On the way home from work, have to go meet my parents for dinner. And, yeah, I still had batteries. So I was like, screw it, I'll just stay close if that's what it takes. Yeah. Digging it. This is a fun spot, nice big open field, but there are some obstacles and stuff if you want. So I'm definitely going to be coming here regularly, I think. Plus it's on my way home, which is great. So, yeah. Hope the minute and a half of footage that I was able to get on the DVR is great. I need to make a camera mount so I can really get my action camera on there and start recording some real footage. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, please. I'll beg you. I'm not below it. You know, the more I get of that, the more likes and subscribes I get, the more encouragement it is to do this, because I'm doing it in my free time completely. So, all 26 of you guys, I think, thank you for subscribing. Share the word, spread the love. All right, guys, see you later.